Another thing that you might find helpful in live text is to see what other faculty have shared in the community library. When you log into live text, you always come to your dashboard, but another tab, which I haven't shown you yet, is the Community tab. And when you click on the Community tab, you can see various things that have been shared by other faculty from literally across the country. I'm going to click on the Library tab. And in the library, you can find examples of student work, course projects, evaluations, but of course the thing that I like to look at is examples of rubric that other faculty have created. So in the library here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the word type here. That will sort all of the different examples by what type of document they are, bringing assessment to the top. So you can see here that we have literally pages and pages of rubrics that other faculty have created and entered. I happen to be looking for one that is a reflective journal example to see what someone else may have used, and I just happen to find this one for reflective journal. And once I have found this one, I can look at it and say, I like how they have done this, completeness, thoroughness, focus, and I can say I really like how that's written. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to create a copy of it. And I can change the name of it. So I can say reflective journal. I'll say OK. Now that copy has now been placed. As you can see, I'm now in my documents. You can see that the documents tab is blue. That's the tab that I'm working under. So this is now a copy that has been created for me that I can use for my class, that I can revise, and it is in my documents. So I can come in here and I can decide to look at how I would want to adjust this rubric. Of course, one of the things that I would have to edit is the assessor. We'll just make it say your instructor. Save and finish. And one of the things that, of course, it's missing are the standards, and this might be where I would have to look at what standards that this particular assignment, which is a journal, is addressing. Again, remember that an assignment does not address every single standard unless it's a portfolio. It should address selected standards, and an item here in my rubric should not address every single standard. The most that this might reflect is, again, one standard. So I would have to go in here and address the standards for this particular rubric.